guys, I'm going back to this one more time because I've got some new information pertaining to, or possibly pertaining to, this unusual line that we've observed on Google Earth that spans the entire length of the globe from the North Pole clear down to the South Pole. And I've never seen anything quite like this before, and I don't think most of you have either. We're seeing evidence of what could be something similar being discovered on the ISS. This is from the 21st, 3 days ago. This was discovered by Dean. He took a couple of screen grabs of this and sent it to me, and it does. It looks like a line that expands for probably a couple thousand miles. We can't see the rest of the line, if in fact it does continue on the full length of the globe like we've seen on Google Earth. But today in my email, I get yet another example from today, from the International Space Station, and this is it. And you can see what looks like a definitive starting and stopping point of something that makes a line, like we're seeing on Google Earth. So I went to the International Space Station myself, the live webcam, just to see if I could find it. Because that image that I just showed you here is right around 18 hours old. It's within the last 24 hours. So I found it in the archives, and I wanted to do a video, at least get that in video format before maybe it disappeared or something. I don't know. Because I've never seen anything quite like it. It's very unique. It's not every day you see a line that spans the entire length of the globe. And this has been on there for a few days. It's not there today. There's kind of a different type of anomaly, whatever you want to call it, but it's just interesting. I don't know what it is. Your guess is as good as mine. To be quite honest with you, I thought it was a processing glitch when I first saw it, but I'm not so sure of that now because of what we're seeing here on the International Space Station's cameras. It should be coming up any second, moving from the left to the right-hand side of the screen. Not exactly sure what part of the Earth this is. All I know, it's it's 21 hours old right now as I'm playing it. And here it comes. And that's not the daytime, nighttime transition. In fact, when they transition into the nighttime, I think they switch the camera into a sleep mode until they reemerge on the daylight side of the planet. So it's not that, but there's definitely something going on there. And I'll pause it, and does it resemble at least a little, maybe like some sort of a dividing line down the center of the Earth, or wherever this is at, somewhere on Earth? Yeah, I mean, it does. I've never seen anything quite like that myself. And there it goes. And this was 21 hours ago. Pretty crazy. That's from the International Space Station today, February 24th. We've seen examples of this phenomenon on the 21st, 3 days ago. So we'll keep an eye out for more in the future. I'll check in throughout the day. I don't have time to monitor this all day long, but I will check it from time to time. If you guys happen to see anything on here, by all means, take a screenshot or just send me in the right direction, and I'll go take a look myself. I want to share a couple of pics here from viewers that sent in from Canada, Alberta, Canada. This is Duncan, sent in something very unique they noticed in the sky. Like what we're seeing on Google Earth and the International Space Station, it has no explanation. How do you explain that? Is that a natural phenomenon? Look at that. Yeah, I've seen a lot of sky phenomenon photographs, but That's a first. Good picture. And here's another one that's very unique out of Kansas. This was taken on the 21st by Judy, and that was sent in, and we're going to put that on the Sky Phenomenon photo gallery. Thanks for sharing, guys, and if you